There's a lawyer shortage in Indiana, and it could ruin your chance of a fair trial. Now a panel of experts wants to use scholarships and change state law to stop that. News 8's government reporter Garrett Berquist talks to the people behind an effort to break new ground for the state's legal system.
More than half of Indiana's 92 counties have less than one lawyer for every 1,000 people. That's the definition of a legal desert. One of Indiana's top judges says that can be a problem for you even if you never set foot in a courtroom. Indiana ranks among the bottom 10 states for number of lawyers per 1,000 people.
People need access to justice, and they need help winding their way through the judicial process. And not only in the courtroom, but you know, we all need wills. We have estates of our parents or grandparents. People have speeding tickets.
Indiana Supreme Court Chief Justice Loretta Rush launched the Commission on Indiana's Legal Future this spring. The commission is still working, but it released a series of interim recommendations this month to give lawmakers something to work with. Recommendations include startup funding for nonprofit law firms and lawyers who agree to practice in high-need areas, scholarships for law students who want to become prosecutors or public defenders, and allowing legal professionals other than licensed lawyers to represent people in court. That category includes paralegals and legal system navigators. Vaidik says that change could make the biggest difference.
I look at it as kind of like a doctor model. We go in, we see a PA, or we see a nurse practitioner, and then they handle a lot of things, but they can't handle it all, so they might say, okay, you need to see a doctor on this.
The commission presented its recommendations to the Supreme Court on Tuesday. Vaidik says the court will decide next month which proposals it wants lawmakers to focus on. She says the commission wants to hear from the public as well, what works and what doesn't.
They're the ultimate clients, and they're the ultimate people that are going to be using our system, our court system. And that's the whole purpose of this, is giving them access to justice.
The commission's final report is due on July 1st of next year. Lawmakers will return to the State House for the 2025 legislative session in early January. At the State House, I'm Garrett Bergquist for Wish TV, wishtv.com, or follow us on Facebook for updates.